It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha method of joyful design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. When you get a moment, hit the like, the subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps me reach women all over the globe. In this video, I invite you to come along with me and watch me decorate. I put together a room refresh on a budget. This video is full of ideas, tips, and inspiration to help you transform your room the custom on a budget way. I know exactly how it feels to look at a room and imagine, how did it get this way? The thing to remember is it doesn't have to stay that way. In this episode, you're going to watch me decorate a basement bedroom. Let's go through the 5 easy steps to help you refresh a room on a budget. Step number 1, you've got to make a plan. In design, we call the plan a mood board. You can go ultra fancy, design a mood board using Pinterest, create a mood board using PowerPoint, or you could just sketch something on a piece of paper. The idea is you've got to have a plan. I encourage you to use technology to your advantage. Check out spaces on Pinterest and even house.com. You can get great ideas. Let your imagination run wild. We'll get to budget in a minute. Step number 2, you're going to prepare your space. Get it ready for this dramatic makeover. Prepare your space for the transformation. A typical small room transformation will take you around a week to maybe even 2 weeks, depending upon how much time you have available. So don't get frustrated if everything's not finished in one day. Step number 3 is the quickest, fastest, and the least expensive way to transform a space. You're going to paint your walls. Whether you're painting an accent wall or the entire room, painting is the cheapest, quickest way to transform a space. You want to purchase your supplies. You can get great supplies from Amazon. I'll drop a link to that below, or just shop in your local big box store. Pro tip, take good care of your supplies. If you're going to continue to do DIY projects, you'll want to clean your supplies so you can reuse them for other projects. I am all about helping you to save money, do things the smart way, and get that wow factor. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I know you're loving it. Remember to follow the directions on your paint can. Yes, read the paint can or do your research. Watch videos, read articles, but typically you need to let wall paint dry at least 4 hours between coats. That way you get a really good cure on the paint. While you're painting, be sure to protect things you don't want paint to get on, like the floor, or if you have some furniture that you can't move out of the room, make sure you cover everything well. Floor covering hack, go to the thrift store, get some old curtains, don't get the most expensive ones, and use those as your drop cloth. All right, step number 4, repurpose some furnishings and decor. That's right, you're gonna shop your own home. Most homeowners have pieces in their home that could be repurposed and used better in a new location. I'm sure that's the case for you too. If that's you, drop me in the comment section below. Now for your budget. I believe that most room transformations can be accomplished for under $500. How do you do that? Well, that leads us to step number 5. Step number 5, you're going to shop at discount stores, thrift shops, and don't forget about the online spaces like Facebook Marketplace. Can't beat the prices. For pieces that you don't have that you need to purchase, you're going to shop the online discount stores like Wayfair and TJ Maxx and even Overstock. They don't advertise themselves as discount stores, but that's pretty much what they are. A great strategy is to shop when those online stores have sales, typically around holidays. For the grand finale, remember to set aside at least 5 to 6 hours to completely set up your staging and your styling of your transformed room. What room are you thinking of transforming in your home? Drop it in the comment section below. The other way you're going to save big is to shop at thrift stores and use online shopping platforms like Facebook Marketplace. In this dope-nificent bedroom transformation, the homeowner repurposed quite a few furnishing pieces, including the bed, the cubbies, and especially their childhood dresser. And I snagged the wall art, some of the decor, and the curtains from the thrift store. I am so glad I was able to use my passion for solving design problems to help this homeowner create a space they truly love. In this basement bedroom transformation, my goal was to take this room from a little dark, a little dingy, and a little gloomy, and turn it into a warm, cozy, welcoming space to rest, relax, and regenerate. Now this bedroom reflects the vibe and the energy and the dope-nificent personality of the client. She clearly loves it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. When you're planning and thinking about transforming a room, I want you to keep these 3 design principles in mind: color, pattern, and texture. Design is really all about individuality. Redesigning a space gives you an opportunity to showcase who you are and let the world know you are unapologetic about it. Your home is actually your ultimate retreat. Vacations are cool, don't get me wrong, but there's nothing better than having a space you love so much that when you leave, you can't wait to get back to it. Design and decorating your home is not about copying something you saw on a TV show. Whether it's my own home or I'm working with a client, I'm always using the principles of joyful design to give the homeowner a space they will truly love. You know you done good when the homeowner tells you they hardly even want to leave their space, and when they do, they can't wait to get back to it. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, Fix My Room, here on my channel. Every home has that problem room, and in every episode, I share inspiration, tips, and ideas to help you fix it. It's full of DIY design solutions. The link to the show is below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.